Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, access to your domain registrar and an active Zoho account. Once signed in, go straight to the Mail Admin console and choose Add Domain. You will enter the domain name and pick verification via TXT or CNAME. TXT is fastest. Make sure to copy the MX and SBF suggestions Zoho shows because you'll paste them into DNS. Once done, leave this tab open while you switch to your registrar to add records. Now you verify and configure mail flow. At your registrar, add the TXT or CNAME record Zoho gave. DNS propagation can take minutes to hours, so check TTL. Next, replace or add MX records exactly as shown and set priorities. Incorrect priority breaks delivery. Then add the SBF TXT value to authorize Zoho. This prevents spoofing. After SBF, enable DKIM in Zoho. Copy the selector and public key into DNS. Make sure to save and wait for DNS propagation before testing. Finish by creating user mailboxes and assigning aliases or groups. Set mail policies and storage limits if needed. You should send and receive test messages from an external account to confirm both inbound and outbound flow. If mail fails, verify MX entries first, then SBF and DKIM records for typos. Make sure TTL has expired and propagation completed. One key troubleshooting tip: use an online DNS lookup to confirm live records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.